When you see a person who's really close to Allah, one of the clearest signs of the closeness to Allah is that your heart is softened. You feel mercy towards others. That's from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is because of the mercy of Allah that you are lenient towards everyone. You're not hard-hearted. You're not harsh. It's a sign of the mercy of Allah. When you are really close to Allah, you become a soft person in the sense that you care for others, you have mercy, you look at others as mashallah good people, you try and look for the good in them, help them up on their feet. When you notice something bad, you care for them, you speak to them in a nice way, you really want them to correct that.